Content creation, the word in itself makes you feel like it's so complicated. It's such a huge setup, a lot of, effects and everything, but not really. It's very simple, and I'm breaking it down for you guys. For content creation, all you need is a quiet corner, natural sunlight, your simple some mobile phone, which you have been using day in and day out for making calls. Just it has to have a decent resolution, and you need to make sure that you articulate better or articulate whatever it is that you want to speak. It's all about just putting forth your ideas and thoughts. And for me personally, if I had seen this video maybe 3 years back when I started content creation, I would have been like, oh wow, it's that simple. Yeah, but it's okay. I couldn't see that at that point, but now I just want to share my experience with you guys. I generally don't have a problem with talking to, people. I am an extrovert. So for me, when I started creating content, also, it's a huge learning curve, you see, because every video you put forth does bring out your personality. It'll bring out something new which you would have learned, experienced, and every single individual on this earth who's basically watching with this video right now. All of you, each one of you has something unique because you yourself are so unique. So you can bring in content which could be about any topic that you like. Just make sure that you are being consistent, you are posting in whatever schedule that works for you. I am a software engineer. I cannot post as frequently as a full-time content creator, but I started doing that as like a hobby, and now it's also my safe space. I created content because I felt like more people are going to have this impact of watching me. Maybe a part of me just wants to help people through creating content. I want to build a community. I want to just make sure I'm seen. I could put forth my thoughts, make an impact in this world. And you might have your own reasons for creating content. That one step that you take is going to help you so much. And trust me, it helps your vocabulary. It does give you a huge impact on your confidence. You'll feel so good. And it's also a skill, guys. It's literally a skill, and you can monetize it as well. You can learn content creation courses. So many things are available online for free on YouTube. Apps such as InShot is something I really love. I can create entire videos, be it for Instagram, for YouTube, whatever it is, without a watermark, with really good audio and effects from InShot. I love the app. I have been using it personally from so many years, and I absolutely love it. So, this is your sign to pick up the camera and go shoot that content, because trust me, if you don't do it, every single day is an opportunity lost. But every single day is also an opportunity to start something new and learn something new. So that's it, I guess. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye, and lots of love, you all.